What is a concrete proof that a teacher, as a public servant, has violated RA 671's mandate? To demonstrate modest lives appropriate to their positions and income. Would this be letter A, extravagant lifestyle and ostentatious wealth? Letter B, peddling undue patronage? Letter C, inefficient use of public funds? Or letter D, political party affiliation and preference? And of course, tumpak na choice natin dito, no? Ayan, tumpak naman ang karamihan. Letter A, ayan, okay? Kasi pag sinabi mo extravagant lifestyle, kitang-kita nakapag-post sa Instagram, no? Si ma'am na nandun siya sa concert ni Taylor Swift, okay? Sa concert ni Taylor Swift, kunwari, or naka-attend siya sa concert ni Oppa, no? Or nakabili siya ng mamahaling bag, designer clothes, no? So that's letter A, extravagant lifestyle. Okay?